This is the H-Hope Demonstrator, showing the principle of operation of H-Hope technology. It has a cylinder which is immersed in the flow, and then after some time, some turbulent forces start to act. We get a lower velocity on one side, the higher velocity on the other side, meaning that pressure forces start to act on the cylinder, pushing it up and down. By connecting that to a generator, we are able to produce electric energy. In this first part, we have kind of device that straightens the flow. Flow exits here and flows along the test rig. When it hits the cylinder, start to pushing it up and down. After some time, you get the oscillatory movement, like now, and then the water continues further downstream. In this case of the demonstrator, it then flows back in the container and in the pump, and the story then continues. In practice, the cylinder is connected to the generator. There are several options, either linear or rotating, and this is then harvested. This was made by do-it-yourself principle, the entire section from here to the end. And during the project, we'll also make the entire system available on H-Hope website, where you will be able to download files and instructions. We'll be able to estimate the power generated and to build the system on your own.